So I thought it'd be time to start vlogging my car stuff because shit is happening all the fucking time. So long story short, yesterday I started up my car and it started knocking. It might be the chain guide, I'm hoping that's it, because I'm not trying to pull the motor and put another one in it, because I converted the M62 to OBD1 and I don't feel like doing that again because I had to cut the cam pickup, which was scary as shit for me. I didn't have the right tools to set the timing back, so I had to do it by eye. Probably too hot to be doing this shit, but I've worked my ass off on this car since November and I just want to drive it. So a little backstory is, back in November I pulled the inline 6 out. I ended up impulse buying a V8. I finished up about like a month ago. I got everything dialed and it's been driving fine, and I haven't really been like putting a whole bunch of stress on the car. I've been trying to breaking it back in, and now this happened. So when I get home, I'm gonna drain the oil and pull the pan and see if there's a plastic in the oil, because from what I've heard, when the chain guides go out, there will be plastic in it. How stupid people at work that want to get ran over. A while back I wanted to start vlogging the motor swap, but I felt I was too awkward to start doing vlogs, so I feel like it's a little bit too late, but to entertain people that my car life is hell. So like I said earlier, I've been working on this since November and I finished about last month. So here's a glimpse of what the car looks like right now. So I'm gonna get the car up on jack stands real quick. That way I can start draining the oil to see if there's like plastic bits inside the oil. That's how you know when you work on your car a lot. I literally only have like 75 miles on this oil, and this thing takes like 8 quarts of oil, so it's not going to be cheap. Found one piece. Holy shit. So I found shavings in the oil pan and particles, so I'm gonna start taking apart the front end of the car so I can get the front case of the motor off. Now I got it down to the core support, so I need to take that off, drain the coolant, and then get all the valve covers off. Probably where I'm gonna call it a night. I got the front of the car taken off to where I can access the front covers. So I need to take off the valve covers, these two plates, and the main plate, and then that bolt right there. The crankshaft bolt is put on at like 625 foot-pounds, so that should be fun to get off. I'm gonna call it a night on this, so